What HVAC repairs usually require two technicians? Repairs that usually require two technicians include handling large equipment, replacing heavy components, working in cramped or unsafe areas, and tasks that require one person to operate equipment while the other checks measurements or connections. Two technicians are often needed when an air conditioning or heating unit has a large compressor, blower motor, heat exchanger, or outdoor condensing assembly that is difficult to lift safely. Replacing a rooftop unit may also require two people because the equipment is heavy and may need lifting equipment, careful positioning, and secure electrical and refrigerant connections. A technician may need a second person when testing airflow, refrigerant pressure, voltage, or temperature from different locations at the same time. Ductwork repairs can require two technicians when one person must hold or seal a large section while the other fastens it in place. Work inside crawl spaces, attics, or tight mechanical rooms is safer with a second person nearby, especially when ladders, electricity, or extreme heat are involved. Refrigerant line replacement is another example because long tubing must be supported, bent carefully, pressure tested, and protected from damage. A less obvious reason is that some repairs need one technician watching instruments while the other starts the system, which helps catch dangerous electrical or pressure problems immediately. Before work begins, ask whether the job needs two technicians, special lifting equipment, or extra safety time, because that can affect the estimate. A common mistake is assuming that two technicians means the company is overcharging, when a second person may prevent injuries, property damage, or an unsafe installation. Ask what each technician will do. Another misconception is that every large repair requires two people, but the actual need depends on equipment size, access, local safety rules, and the technician's tools. Request a clear explanation before approving the work. People also sometimes let a technician begin without checking licensing, insurance, or the written estimate. Verify those details and make sure the estimate identifies labor, parts, disposal, and any required follow-up testing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.